So in my last video, I have mentioned about my younger brother getting a superbike. So last week we took delivery of the motorcycle, and actually this is the video where I am going to reveal what motorcycle it is. So this is right now we are coming back home after taking delivery of his superbike. So here it is. Yes, that's a Ducati Panigale 959. So the 959cc version of the Ducati has come to our home, and the ZX has got one riding partner for itself. So this is a 2016 model of the Panigale 959, and the motorcycle has done around 8,000 kilometers on the road. It is pretty low, and finally I am happy that my brother is able to realize his dream at last. So today in this video I will have a feel of the Panigale. So far I have been riding the ZXNR. I have ridden some couple of other superbikes, and today it is time for me to lay my hands on the Ducati too. Stay tuned, guys. So the first time I'm going to ride a Ducati. Oh, the seat is somewhat elevated, and oh, the throttle response is very high. Just once I keep my hands on the throttle, and oh my god, this motorcycle is heating like anything. The clutch is very light. I don't know in what power mode it is, but after riding the ZX, Panigale seems less powerful. Okay, that is there, and my legs are burning like anything. It is, the motorcycle is heating. Yes, they say Ducati roast you alive, and indeed it seems true. And if you shift below 5,000 RPM, the motorcycle engine seems to be lagging. So upshifting has to be done at around 5,000 to 6,000 RPM, and the riding position is somewhat better when compared to the ZX, but I have to say the heat is unbearable. My brother is asking me to stop. Okay, the power mode has been in very low, that is wet. That's why I have felt the motorcycle very powerless, because I was riding my ZX at full power mode, and The Ducati is in mid power mode. Now it is in race mode. And yes, now the throttle response is very good, and the motorcycle is feeling a lot more powerful now. So I was not aware of the electronics in this motorcycle, and the clutch lever seems very soft. You don't have to put a lot of effort to shift the motorcycle. Of course, this has a quick shifter for upshifting. So upshifting is not an issue, but while downshifting you have to press the clutch lever. But I have to say the clutch lever is very smooth and easy to press. You don't have to put a lot of effort. But one thing that bothers me very much is the heat generated by this motorcycle. It feels like I'm riding a bigger KTM of my brother. My brother owns a KTM RC 390, and it feels like a bigger 390. Once I let go of the throttle, a lot of heat is getting dissipated on my hind legs and my thighs. Yes, superbikes are unique, and this is one unique superbike, I have to say. Indeed, it's a superbike, and that double hundreds, they have their own way of handling. I have to say the Panigale is pretty stable even at 200 kmph. So the climate was very windy. There were crosswinds, and I intentionally tried to hit the 200 kmph mark on the 959. And it did so without having any sort of stability issues, I have to say. And after riding the Panigale for some 25-30 kilometers, I am back on my ZX, and I feel a sigh of relief. The ZX is very smooth and very cold, I have to say. It is not heating like the Ducati, and yes, it feels a lot more powerful. That will be there. The Panigale generates some 150 horsepower, whereas the ZX has 210 horsepower under the top, and it is natural the ZX will feel more powerful, but the heating part, that is where the major difference comes. Also, the Panigale vibrates a lot when compared to the ZX. The ZX is very smooth. Even on my rear view mirror, I can identify the vehicle coming from behind, but on the Panigale, the vibration is so much that I could not identify the vehicle coming behind me. So that's it for today, guys, and keep following my channel to see more videos about the Ducati and the ZX-10R.